Everyone, this is another interesting section with your daily entity. So you can see right again we have another interesting topic: the atomic number, the mass number, and the neutron number. And the previous class we look at the first 20 elements, which will help us to do this topic, to do well justice to this topic very well. What is an atomic number? An atomic number is the proton number of an element. The proton number of an element. Not only the proton number, it's also known as what? The electron. You can call it the proton and electron number of an element. Let me take it this way. The proton and the electron number of an element. Good. Now, let me set an example. We have, assuming we're given an element Y, having atomic number of W. If you look at this is an element Y. They can use any alphabet to represent our element. So an element Y is having atomic number of W. Atomic number is always written as a subscript. Always written as a subscript. So that means this W is the atomic number of element Y. You can see. So atomic number is the proton and electron number of an element. So see, for instance, element Y having W. So it is always written, that's the atomic number is always written as a subscript. So here we can say, here W is the atomic number of element Y. Let me give you another example. Let me take from our first 20 elements. Let me use that of number 6, which is carbon. For example, carbon. Remember what is the symbol for carbon? Are you with me? C. The capital letter C. Carbon is having this. So let's do this together. It's having 6 as what? As a subscript. So that means 6 is what? Is the atomic number of what? Of carbon. And if you have to calculate the proton number for carbon, you tell them that 6, if they ask you, this element is having the 6 as a subscript. So what is the proton number? The proton number of this element is what? Is 6. Because it's the atomic number is the proton and electron number. And if parameter they ask again, what is the electron number of this element? The electron number of this element is also what? Is also 6. So let's proceed to the second one, the mass number. Mass number is the sum of all the proton and the neutron number of an element. Is the sum of all the subparticles of an element. What are the subparticles? The proton, electron, and what? And the neutron number. So that's our mass number. Now we are given another element. Let's take this element for instance. Let's take magnesium, for example. We have magnesium. Magnesium is having the symbol of Mg, and we are given that magnesium is having the atomic number of what? Of 12, and it's having something whole, which is 24. So here we can say, let me add to this again. Mass number is always written as a superscript. Let's take another element, for instance, we use Y and W to represent what? To explain atomic number. Let's use another element, X and P. Now, here we can say P is the mass number of element X. So it's always written as what? As a superscript. Why that atomic is always written as a what? As a subscript. Good. So now you're given this. They gave you magnesium is having, now you'll be able to tell me this. The magnesium is having the atomic number of 12 and the mass number of what? 24. Because you can see the 12 is a subscript, is written down, while 24 is what? Is superscript, is written on. So that is the mass number is what? While the atomic number is what? Is down. So let's move to the neutron number. So what is neutron number? Neutron number. Neutron number is when you take away the subtraction, you take away the mass number from atomic number. Neutron number is subtracting mass number minus mass number from atomic number. For example, let's say we're having another element, let's use W. Our element W is having the mass number of O and the atomic number of C. So now they now ask us to derive the neutron number. How do we do this? So get this from the derivation. We're going to take away. Remember, mass number is written whole, atomic number is written down. We're going to take away what? That will now be what? O minus C will give us our what? The neutron number. So that's our neutron number. So we look at the neutron or the atomic number. We look at atomic number, the mass number, and the neutron number. So we are going to proceed. Let's just do a little calculation. I'll give you one question, though we call it a day in this section. So let's say calculate exercise. So let's take it this way. What is the, let's use it this way, determine. Let me have it this way. Determine the proton, electron, and the neutron number from the following elements. Let's say I'll solve number one and you solve the second one as assignments. So we are given, let's say this, we are given our cashier, we have 40 as mass number here, then we have what, 20 as the atomic number. And we are also given another one. We are given sodium, we have a mass number of 23, atomic number of 11. So let's solve this question. We have to determine the proton, the electron, and the neutron number from the following elements. We have the first one, calcium. We have the number one, the second one, the sodium. And second, we are given everything. Don't forget the derivation. So let's take it like a solution. Let's take our solution. We're solving it together. So solution. So let's take the first one, which is calcium. It's having what? The mass number of 40 and what? And the atomic number of 20. So the first thing they ask us to calculate is the proton number. Don't forget by the definition of atomic number, we said atomic number is also known as the proton number or what? And electron number. So our proton number also equals to what? Atomic number, which is equal to what? And what's the atomic number from the question? 20. Good. That is the answer. So let's move to the second question. They said electron number. So in the electron number, our electron number equals to what? Remember, atomic number is the number of proton and electron number. That will be also what? Atomic number, which is all equals to what? So remember, it's also atomic number, so it's also what? It's also 20. So the last one we're going to look at is the neutron number. Our neutron number is what? Remember, is what? Mass number minus atomic number. So we actually have what? That what? Mass number minus atomic number, which is what? What's the mass number from the question? That is 40 minus 20. I hope you are following. Good. The answer is what? 20. So that means for this question, we have our proton number to be 20, electron number to be 20, and neutron number to be 20. I hope we enjoyed today's class. We meet again in the next session. Please kindly subscribe, follow, and like my YouTube channel. See you in the next class. God bless you. Thank you.